Okay, so where are the settings stored within a template? How does all that work? If I go into setup, there's only a handful of things that are actually stored in the workbook itself. For instance, my currently selected company is stored in a secret hidden spreadsheet within the workbook. So selecting that company means it's going to affect any other templates within the workbook. But you can add a tag to a template to override this value, in which case you can set it per sheet. We might do that in a second. But effectively, just about every other setting in here is actually stored in the comment above here. So if I go edit note, I believe it is, you'll see all those settings are stored in here. So they're particular to each template, as it were. And as I said, the company is set for on the workbook. If I go into tags, and I guess if I search for company before switch company, right, we can add that there. And now, as you'd expect, if I space and tab away, I can select a different company. So I could have multiple workbooks there and define which company they go into simply on the transaction header. And then save that template down. All the settings, primarily all the settings, are saved in the workbook. And that's the whole point to explain.